We are having some difficulties with the unemployment relief program, as I alluded to earlier, having principally to do with the lack of information or accurate information submitted by some participants or would-be participants in the program. But we've only spent, as a consequence, something like $11 million, I believe, to date. Remember that we borrowed $75 million to fund the unemployment relief program. I did take 10 from that 75 to start the food rollout, but that is going to be reimbursed. So we still must think in terms of a $75 million pool for unemployment relief. On that basis, absolutely, with the additional layoffs that we will see now, the unemployment relief program will have to continue and perhaps be expanded.